Good morning, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name's Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Every morning during the week, I come to you at 8 o'clock and on Saturdays at 9 to start your day with a little creative fun. This week, I told you I am focusing on either some of my favorite retiring products or some of those retiring products that I haven't used yet. This morning happens to be one of those stamp sets that I actually forgot I had. I was going through my shelves and I'm like, oh, what is that? So this is the Young at Heart stamp set, and it's super cute and a lot of fun, and not, if you've been crafting with me, not really my style. But I thought it was, for some reason, perfect. And I really like the Young at Heart, just a little older in other places. And guess what? This laughing with you is the best form of therapy. Right now, how many of you are like chatting with all of your friends and seeing family on Zoom? So I spent Sunday night laughing and drinking wine during a Zoom chat with one of my good friends who happens to be a therapist. You see where I'm going with this card today? We're going to be making a Laughing With You is the Best Form of Therapy card for some of my friends who are therapists right now. And I know that they're kind of having a rough time, as are the rest of us. All right, so here's the model, and I saw this on Pinterest, and or this sketch on Pinterest, and I just had to case it. So, I hope I remember to color Our Lady's hair on the next one. All right. So, or maybe we're just also white-headed now after not being able to go to the salon. Okay, we're going to start with a piece of basic black, and that's not scored. So it's cut to 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm going to score it at 4.25. And I see some of us have joined. Let's see who's here this morning. I can't even see on my screen. So if you are here, good morning. I have a terrible glare. I see that Kathy's here and Debbie's here, and I think Gordy was here. Excellent. Good to see you this morning. Sorry, yesterday's card got posted over on my personal page. I didn't realize it until I was halfway through. All right, so there's that. Then I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that I ran through with the subtle embossing folder. This measures 5.25 by 4. Okay, and I'm going to lay that down, but before I do, I'm going to add a little bit of this. I'm making a cheery card, and this is the Daffodil Delight ruched ribbon that came in the Birthday Bonanza suite. And really, what I want to do is just run this across like so. Okay, so I'm going to take a glue dot this morning. Sometimes when card making, I make a sample and I'm like, oh, that's nice, but I can do better. So I'm just adding a little bit more to this one. Okay. Get that nice and even. Then I have some snail, excuse me. My allergies are just terrible this week. Nathaniel's were bad a couple of weeks ago, to the point they sent him home from work. But mine, it's this week. All right. So now I have 2 pieces of basic black cardstock. These measure 1.25 by 4. I had to think for a minute. All measurements will be over on my blog later at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. And then, so I got to thinking, Laughing With You And eating ice cream would be a great form of therapy in my book. So, I know I said we were drinking wine, but I didn't have any wine paper. So, but ice cream comes in pretty high on my book. So these are 1 inch by 4 1/4. And I need to trim those down to 1 inch. Not to 1 inch. Trim those down to 4 inches. Good morning, Michelle. I think I did this yesterday too, where my measurements were off. Let's do this side. And I'm just going to get a skosh off of there because I don't know what happened to that one. Oops. I know what happened to that one. I don't happen to be wearing my glasses this morning. So that's probably what I did. Oh my goodness, look at that. Easiest tool in the world, and I can't get it lined up straight this morning. I think I carried all my glasses downstairs with me yesterday. So that means, you know, I have 4 pair laying around. They've all got to be downstairs. All right. Do you do that too? Anybody? Just, I know I'm not alone. Just tell me I'm not alone, okay? So I'm going to add my strips. Here. And here. Okay, so I've got my card pretty much set. Let's find this, and we're going to stamp our ladies. That's my inside piece. Here we go. Don't they look like they're having fun? Oh my gosh. They're probably giggling over what kind of ice cream flavors to have, right? So I have Calypso Coral and Bermuda Bay, which happen to be coordinating colors in the Birthday Bonanza ice cream paper. And I'm going to color very carefully because, again, no glasses. Okay, and if you want, you can take your darker, right? An outline. I really hope I find my glasses before I have to go to work. Whoops. Okay. And then we're going to color her shirt in Bermuda Bay. This is the light marker. There we go. Then I have my, oh, here it is. This is light petal pink. And this is for that very fair skin. Don't forget her arm. It's right over here. Okay, and if you wanted someone who looks like they've been sitting outside and not stuck behind their work from home computer, then you could use ivory. Maybe this person is my gardener, right? She's out there every day gardening away. Speaking of gardening, whoops, sorry about that. I have, seriously, tomatoes on my plants. I'm so very excited. Let's see. Ooh, no, that's not the color I want. Haha. Let's have a little fun. We're all a little gray right now. You know the sad part? My work email sent me a reminder that I'm 2 weeks, 3 weeks overdue for my haircut and color. I think she's wearing a headband. She is now. She's like me, anything to keep her hair out of her eyes. Okay, so there we've got our ladies. And they're just laughing it up because life's too short not to eat ice cream. And I have my 2-inch circle punch. And I know, my Starburst punch, I can't believe it's retiring. But it is. Last I saw it was still available, in case you don't have one. Which I find kind of hard to believe. I mean, at this stage in the game, who doesn't, right? All right, so we're gonna put these ladies on here. They're probably laughing because it's the first time in their life they can eat ice cream and not be judged for it because everybody else is. Okay, so I've got a few dimensionals left here. I'm gonna use them all. Throw that away. This strip is a little bit crooked, I see. So I'm gonna move it slightly. I'll put my ladies down here this time. Then I'm gonna have another piece that's 5 1/4 by 4, and I'm going to stamp my "Laughing is the best therapy" right here. And you can see I was testing it out earlier and make sure it was straight. Let's do it again. That's gonna go on the inside of my card. Oh, come on. And then to finish it off, I have some of these Birthday Bonanza pom-poms, because pom-poms are fun. All right, and I'm going to take some glue dots like so. Well, maybe not quite like so. Let's try that again, shall we? Maybe laughing while Michelle is crafting is the best form of therapy. Come on, you guys. You know it. Okay, ready? How about Calypso Coral and Bermuda Bay and another Calypso Coral. There you go. Very fun. I think my friends are going to love them. Laughing with you is the best form of therapy using the stamp set Young at Heart. All information can be found again over on my blog later this morning at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you tomorrow. I have no idea what we're making, but I'm sure we'll have fun doing it. In the meantime, stay inside, stay safe, and stay crafting. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.